Hi, my name is Steven Scapiti with TeleEdge, and today I'm going to run through the basics of WordPress and how to update your content. So here I am on a WordPress site. It's in the bag, maternity and bags and beyond. I'm going to log into the website. And you'll see that this bar appears on the top of the screen. This is my admin bar. So I'm going to click on it's. There are a number of things I can do here. The first thing you'll notice is post. This is all your main stuff right here. So the first real section is post. Post is all of your news feeds and everything. You can see we have no posts right now. If we wanted to add a new news feed, it would, we would go to add new, enter in a title of the post and our content. We can add media to this post, meaning video and pictures, by adding media right here. And you can click on add media. You can select what you want to add to the post, insert it into the post, and you'll notice that it's there. When you go to add media, you'll notice right here on the right we have the ability to select different sizes. These are standard sizes for this particular image. So we can do that. We can also link the image to wherever we want to link it to, whether it be an attachment page, the media file, meaning like the file itself, or we don't have to have a link at all. We can also use a custom URL and have it linked to somewhere on the website that's custom, or somewhere outside of the website. We can also add new media to this just by going to upload files, and you can actually drag any file that you want into here, and you'll notice that the file, it changes screen and you'll be able to upload the file. Right now we're not doing that, so we'll just exit out of that. You'll notice that we have also category of the post. Right now the default category is the bag news. We can change this category name. We can add a new category. You'll notice right here under post there are categories, and you'll notice that the bag is our only category right now. We can add a new category, or you'll notice when I highlight the bag, we can press edit and it goes to the edit page, and we can change this title to whatever we want and press update. Media, I kind of just ran through this. Media is all of your images and stuff. If you wanted to add a new image, you get the same type of screen that we were on during the post. If you drag your file here, you'll notice that the little thing turns blue, meaning it's okay to drop it in there and it'll add it. Links, I rarely use links. I would not use links, so I'm going to skip over that section. Pages, you'll notice that we have all of our different pages in here. About us, baby planning, cart, checkout. Some of these pages are made by the actual website itself, like the cart page and the checkout page, but some of them are made by us, like the home page, my account page, not my account page, our blog page, shop page. If we go to any one of these pages, you'll notice that we see basically the content that's in that page. And you'll notice this is the home page. So when I go to the home page, you'll notice that I see this content on the page. And it's the same content that's here. We can edit this content, we can do whatever we want, we can remove this image, we can do whatever to this content here. And once we are finished editing, we can press update and the changes will be reflective here. Pretty simple. If you go back to pages, you can also add a new page. You know, if we wanted to create a new page about, you know, any type of event or any other content that we would need for this particular website, we can add the title of the page and then our content down here, press publish, and we'll be done. Again, you have the options of adding media, doing any number of things. Comments. Comments are more of like, this is to manage your comments. So when you do a post, you can allow users from the outside to come in and comment on your post. You can also do the same for pages. They're really a source of spam a lot of the times. People posting links to other websites and stuff. For the most part, I turn it off. Events, I don't really use events. Galleries, I don't really use galleries. So we'll move on to WooCommerce, where is the plugin for the online store. You'll notice that we have an online store here, and we have all of this functionality to the ability where we can select blue or pink bags, add them to our cart, go to the checkout, and you know, it'll tell us, you know, how much shipping is depending on what country we're in. I think United States, and you'll notice there's a flat rate shipping of $10. You can check out via PayPal, which is the only thing enabled. Pretty simple, you know, little checkout thing, and then you press place order. That redirects you to PayPal and you can purchase your item. So if we got any orders, this is where they would be. So you would see them listed down. You would see who ordered it, what their billing address was, what their shipping address was, what the total order was, and you'll see in PayPal whether you received the money or not. Reports, you know, if we were generating sales, you would see a report here. Coupons, you can add new coupons. You can press add coupon, give the coupon a code, say what type of coupon you want, the coupon amount, whether that be a percentage or a dollar amount. You can say apply before taxes, enable free shipping, you know, any number of things here. You can, there's a lot of options here. The settings, this is where we go for our payment gateway. This is where, you know, we have PayPal enabled. You'll see this is PayPal right here. We also have shipping, and we just have a flat rate shipping enabled of $10. And you'll notice if we click flat rate up here, we can see our shipping option, and you'll notice that we're charging $10. Payment gateway, same thing. If you click on PayPal, you notice that PayPal is enabled, and use form submission method. And this allows PayPal to get the data from your website. So when you're on this checkout thing, they basically won't have to enter the data twice. So they enter it in here, they press place order, and PayPal receives that data automatically so that they don't have to enter it in PayPal. And that's, you know, you can control anything in terms of like what type of description you want to show here. There's a number of things, you know, that you can control. Our inventory, we can also manage inventory here. We can set like if you were managing stock of your items, like let's say you had 5 in stock, when it got down to 2, it would send you a notice saying, hey, you only have 2 in stock now. You can also manage your taxes. Right now I have no taxes enabled, but you can add this example. I mean, they're in Louisiana. You can add a Louisiana tax to this. So there's a number of different options here. There's a lot to go over. For the most part, for a basic store, if you're not doing anything too fancy, the default options really allow you to do a lot, and it's really about the customization comes in the products. So products is the next section, and this is where you'll see the products, the different products that you're offering. So here we can click on any product and edit it if we want. You'll notice that the featured image is here. The featured image is the image that you'll see if you go to your online store. It's the image that you see here. So it's the image before going into the product. Once we go into the product, actually this is the featured image again, but once we select the product, like let's say we wanted blue, this product image is controlled by the product variations. So you notice that this type of product, we're at the Dawn bag here, and I'll go to the Dawn bag here. And you'll notice that we have the ability to select a pink or blue bag. The product description doesn't change, but we'll have the ability to select a pink or blue bag, and this will change, and it'll actually allow you to add to cart. Notice how if you don't choose an option, it won't allow you to buy this item because it doesn't know which one you want. When you actually go to select the type of item that you want, that's when you can add it to cart. So this is a variable product. You'll notice that we have simple products. Group products are different. I forgot which way they are. And external products, I mean, that's if you're selling somebody else's product. Variable product and simple product are the two most common types of products. Once you click on variable products, you'll notice that the last tab here is called variations. If you click on that, you'll notice that we have two different variations here. We have a pink product and we have a blue product. We can add more types of products just by pressing add variation, and it'll add another product type. You'll notice if we click anywhere on this bar right here, it'll open down and we'll be able to see the specifics of that variation. And actually we can change the price, we can assign it a new sales price, and still leave the blue product as a different price. So if you wanted to charge more for the pink bag as opposed to a blue bag, we can do that just by changing the price here. We can also change shipping parameters or tax classes if we had different types of tax classes and shipping parameters for different products. Right now we don't, so we can also assign a stock to our products. So let's say we had 4 blue bags but only 2 pink bags. We can put that in here, and it'll manage the stock of the item. Every time someone buys something, that number will be reduced. So and like I said, simple products, they're pretty simple. You notice we have our product description here. That is the product description that shows up here. You'll notice also that we have this categorized in the value collection, the Dawn bag categorized in the value collection. So what it's actually going to do is show you the other products that are categorized in the value collection, which is the beginning bag and the alpha bag. However, if we didn't want to see that for whatever reason, we could turn that off by I think once we go to products, let's see. And I honestly forgot how to do that. I forgot how to do that. But we can turn it off in the settings, in the WooCommerce settings, so we can turn it off on a whole. Well, right now I'm not gonna bother trying to find this. I'll just move on with, you know, the demo. Anyway, we can also duplicate products. In case we had another product variable, we would want to duplicate this product in order to create the product quickly. And what that would do is create a duplicate product. We could then go in, change the title, change the description, change the pictures, and it would be much easier to create than going to add a new product and starting from scratch. So that's pretty much the basic about products. The appearance, you're never really going to touch. The plugins, you're never really going to touch. The users. So here, this is useful. You'll notice I created Yolanda, who's the owner of the site. I have her email address here, her website here. If she wants a new password, she can just type it in right here and press update user. If she wanted to list her billing address and her customer shipping, or shipping address, or change something about her name or something like that, she could do it all right here. There's also, you'll notice on the, I skipped over something, on the appearance in the menus, you'll notice that this is the menu that we have on our page right here. This menu matches up with what we have right here. So the thing that I added recently to the site was a blog. So if I wanted to add this, I would check this, press add to menu, and you'll notice our blog appears here. And let's say I wanted to have this near the home page, I would just drag it up by the home page and press save menu. You'll notice when we go to our website and refresh it, you'll notice that our blog now appears on our menu. And I can click on that and there are no results found because we have no post, as I demonstrated earlier. So for right now, we'll remove this page. That doesn't delete the page from the site, it just removes it from the menu itself. And we'll press save menu. And you'll notice when I go and refresh, you'll notice our blog is removed. However, if you wanted to start posting and keeping up with your blog, you could add it to the website just that easily, and once you create a new post, it'll automatically appear in your blog and you won't have to do anything else to it. So WordPress makes stuff like that pretty easy because you don't have to go back and edit the page just because you added some new news or something like that. You just go to add a new post and give it a title, put some content in here and press publish, and it'll automatically add it to your blog. It knows that this post is supposed to go onto your blog. What else? We also have a tool called Simple Facebook Connect for WordPress, and you'll notice we've had this red bar at the top. It's saying that our settings for Simple Facebook Connect are not done. Simple Facebook Connect allows you to, if you post something new onto your site, you can automatically, the website for you will automatically grab whatever you posted and go post it to Facebook. It's pretty useful for updating multiple things at one time, and you can even do this with Twitter as well. There's Simple Twitter Connect, which does the exact same thing. In order to enable this, you'll notice I need a Facebook ID and a Facebook application secret, and actually I already got the Facebook fan page just from going to the fan page itself. It's public, so I already put that in there for you. If I go, and you'll notice it says haven't created an application yet. Don't worry, it's easy. And you can follow these steps. Go to the link, create an application. After creating the application, put it's in the maternity bag in the site URL section. You can get the API information from the application page. Select the application you created, then copy and paste the application secret and application ID from there. And once I copy these things and press Save Changes, it's going to give me some other options that I can then use to manage what I want to go onto Facebook and when. So this is a pretty basic rundown of the of this website. Hope you enjoyed this video. Okay.